Hey, what's up with my babe subscribers? This Nisha and I'm back today with another unboxing. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. Today's unboxing from Boxycham. This is August unboxing. Stay tuned. Let's get started. This month is totally, and it has the prices on this side. The first thing we have is mascara, and it's by Tarte Big Ego, and that is priced at $23. Next we have is some eyelashes, and that's what they look like. Those are pretty. Those are priced at $14.99. Next we have a peel off mask, and that is priced at $26. The next we have is glow ahead, and that is priced at $42. And then the last thing we have is it is a refresh powder. Refreshing powder, and that is priced at $39.